Hello, uh, I'm Binod. So I underwent this hair transplant at MedRootz clinic. So it was such a big decision when I had decided that I have to go for hair transplant. I was very scared. I went through so many clinics. I visited so many doctors, but I was not getting that kind of confidence. Then one day I came here and I met Dr. Anuj Saigal sir, and we spoke for about 30 minutes, and suddenly all my fear about my hair transplant went away, and then and there only I booked the transplant. Day before the surgery, I got a call from sir that he was speaking to me about my comfort level and all. Then I reached on time here. Once I reached here, I found all this. Everyone was already here. I didn't have to wait at all. And then the entire process, like before the start of the surgery, it was so wonderful. Like we were continuously talking, and like I was getting such a comfort that everything I got very nice environment, and we underwent the surgery. The surgery was so smooth. I was very much skeptical about whether I will get any sort of pain or what, but the entire surgery, let me tell you, it was painless completely. Even that first injection, which I was given for this numbness, even that was painless. The entire surgery went so smooth. Post surgery, like I was continuously getting calls from again MedRootz clinic about my post operative care. I got my first head wash, then second head wash. During the entire journey, it was such a smooth, and now I'm so happy with my result. The best thing is nobody knows except like whom I have told that I have underwent hair transplant, and I am so happy, so satisfied with my results so far. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. I have this was one of the biggest decision of my life, and I am so happy that I came to this clinic and I decided to go ahead with my hair transplant journey.